Some of the most common mistakes coaches and experts make in communication, they're losing a lot of business and they're losing a lot of clients. I'm going to share with you what to do instead. Hi, my name is Majeed. I am the founder of the Expert Speaker Institute, and I help coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs tell their story and communicate more effectively to attract ideal clients. Now, one of the first mistakes that they make is they communicate at their level of understanding instead of communicating at the level of understanding of their clients. For example, let's say you're a dating coach. You know that your client needs to learn self-love and they need to heal their relationship with their parents. But they don't know that, so they're not listening for that. They're looking for, how do I find the right guy? How do I get him hooked with 3 sexy text messages? And so you gotta communicate at their level of understanding of the problem instead of communicating at your level of understanding of the problem. So that's the first mistake coaches make in their communication. The next one is to assume that other people think like you. You might be a very detailed person and you read everything, you need all the details. So if you're that person, the mistake you would make is communicate so many details that other people don't need. There are other people, they decide without all the details, they just draw me a picture and tell me it works. And so to be aware of the different communication styles and to communicate in the different styles from time to time will allow you to reach more people. The next communication mistake coaches make is they sell what they do instead of what the client gets. Let me explain. When you sell what you do, you say, we're gonna meet 60 minutes every week for 12 weeks, and we're gonna have 6 worksheets, and you're gonna have 10 videos, and you're gonna watch all the videos and do all the worksheets and come to all the sessions. The client doesn't want any of those things. The client wants the result. So if the result is, let's say the result is you're gonna get clients, or the result is you're going to have your website built. That's what they want. So they wanna buy website built. They don't wanna buy 12 coaching sessions and 8 worksheets. So don't sell what you do, sell what they get. If you like these tips, I love supporting coaches and consultants building their 6 and multi-6-figure businesses. I'm the entrepreneur's public speaking coach. You can book a one-on-one strategy call with me. The link is in my bio.